In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your sales tax with QuickBooks Online. Managing sales tax can feel overwhelming, but QuickBooks Online makes it easier by organizing your data and ensuring accuracy every step of the way. Whether you're filing for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from reviewing your sales tax overview to recording your payment properly. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a link in the description to get started. Now let's dive in and take care of that sales tax. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on Taxes. This will take you to the Tax Center. From here, select the Sales Tax tab. Now you'll see an overview of your sales tax. This is where you can check how much you owe for the current filing period. Make sure to review this carefully. At the top of the page, you'll notice a date range. Double-check that the date range reflects the correct filing period for your taxes. If it's not accurate, simply adjust it to match the period you're filing for. Next, click on View Report. This will generate a detailed sales tax report for the selected time frame. Take some time to review this report thoroughly. It will show you key details such as taxable sales, non-taxable sales, and the total tax due. Look out for any errors or amounts that don't seem right. If you spot anything unusual, you might need to correct the underlying transactions in QuickBooks to ensure everything adds up correctly. Once you've confirmed that the report is accurate, it's time to make your sales tax payment. You can do this through your state's tax portal by mail or using specific QuickBooks Online features if available. Choose the method that works best for you and complete your payment to your tax agency. After you've made the payment, return to the Sales Tax tab in QuickBooks Online. Here, you'll need to record the payment to keep your records up to date. Click on Record Tax Payment. Now, enter the payment date to match the date you paid the tax agency. Then, select the bank or credit card account you used to make the payment. Be sure to verify that the payment amount entered in QuickBooks matches both the report and the actual payment you made. If there are any rounding differences or additional fees, you can include those in the appropriate field. For your records, you can also add a memo or confirmation number. This step is optional but highly recommended for staying organized. Once everything looks correct, click Save to record the payment. Finally, double-check your work. Verify that the payment you just recorded appears in the Sales Tax tab as paid for the correct filing period. To ensure everything is accurate, run the sales tax report again and confirm that the balance is 0 for the filing range. And that's it. You've successfully paid and recorded your sales tax using QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.